We are going to make our own pegboard numbers. Do you have 2 number worksheets? 1, 2. If not, have your adult helper get your worksheets for you. They can print them from your lesson page or pull it out of your book. For this lesson, we also need glue, crayons, thumbtacks, and cardboard. We gathered them all earlier. Look to make sure your scissors, glue, crayons, thumbtacks, and cardboard are all together. Are you ready? First, we have to cut the number squares off our worksheet. This is a square, and this is another square. This is the number 1. And we cut like this. Take your scissors, cut to the number 1 line of the square, go up and across, come down and go across and go up. In there we have a number 1 and a square. Number 2 square. We go up, we go across, and up. Number 2 square. This time I can turn it like this and follow the line as closely as you can. And that's a number 3 square. We cut a number 3 square. And you can pause the video if you need to while you cut your squares. Number 4. This is the number 4. Number 5 square. This is number 6. It looks like this. Number 6 goes from the top, around, and down, and around. Cross. Set that extra piece to the side. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next we'll cut out number 7. So start at the edge of the paper, and we can follow our line like this. And we cut out our number 7 square. Next, we have number 8. So we'll go up, cut up, and across, and down. Number 8 square. This is a number 9 square. Number 9 is next. Turn it like this, and start at the edge. Go up and go across and back up. 9. 9 goes like this. Start at the bottom and go up and around. Number 10 looks like this. Cut it up turn it like this and go up again. Number 11, we can start at the bottom and go like this. Number 11. 1, 1. That's the number 11. We can turn it, go up again. Sometimes that makes it easier to cut. Turn it again and go up again. And we have another square, a square number 11. Number 12. And the 12 has two numbers inside of it. 1, 2. We'll cut out the number 12 square. And we have our squares and our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we can lay down our piece of cardboard. We can get our glue out. Start with the number 1. Put some glue on the back of it. I have a glue stick. Glue sticks are nice and easy. Any kind of glue will work. Put my glue on the back. Put my number 1 right there. The number 1 goes like this. So you start here, go down. Next is number 2. Put your glue on. Turn it over, put it right next to number 1. Number 2. You write a number 2 like this. You start at the top, go around, over and down, and across. Number 3. Glue down number 3. And you write a number 3 like this. You start at the top, go around and around. Number 3. Number 4. Number 4. And number 4, this number 4 goes like this. You start here, go across, go up, and go down. Number 5. We can glue down our number 5, just like that. We can make a 5 like this. Go up at the top, and go across, and down, and go around. Number 5. And then number 6. You write in number 6 like this. You go start at the top and go around and down and up and around. Number 7. Make a number 7. You go to the top and go across and down. So up at the top, go across and down. 8. Number 8. You make a number 8. You start at the top and go around and down and around and down and around and up and around and up. Number 9. You can make a number 9 this way. go at the top and go around and down. Number 10. Make a 10 by going to the top and going down. And going to the top and going around. Go all the way around. So go to the top and come down. And go to the top and go around. 11. You make it an 11. 11 has 2 ones. So you start at the top and come down. Start at the top and come down. Number 12. You make a number 12 this way. Start at the top, come down, and you make a number 1, and it also has a number 2. You make a number 2 by starting here, near the top, going up and around a little bit, and then down, and across again. If you have your thumbtacks, you can also make your numbers with thumbtacks. Number 1, you can stick a yellow thumbtack there at the top, and we'll go with green next. And at the bottom we can put another yellow in. That's how you make a 1. Start at the top and go down. Number 2, start near the top with a red thumbtack. And come around. And come around again. And go down and across to the bottom. And then go across at the end. So we started here with red, and then we went to green and red, and then yellow and blue, and then the color white. Next is number 3. You make a 3 this way. You start at the top, put your thumbtack in like that. Now I used yellow. You can use whatever color you have. Another yellow, and you go around, down like that, and then back around again. Oops. There. With a red thumbtack and another yellow. And you come around and finish with the blue. I finished with the blue. You can finish with whatever color you want. And there, we have a number 3. Now you can pause the video. We use thumbtacks to make all of our numbers. 1, we started at the top and went down. 2, we started near the top and then went up and around and down and across. 3, we started at the top and went this way. 4, we started on the right, went across and up and down. 5, we started near the top, went across, down, and around. 6, we started near the top, went around and down, and all the way around and back. 7, we started near the top, we went across and down. 8, we started at the top, and went around and down and across, and down, and up, and around, and back to the top. 9, we started here at the top, went around, and then down. For 10, we started at the top and went down. We started at the top and went down and around, and up and around. 11, we had a number 1 and a number 1. We started at the top and went down. Started at the top and went down. 12, we had a 1 and a 2. We started at the top and went down. And we started near the top, went up and around, and across and down, and across. And we used yellow, green, red, blue, white. And when you're all done, you can take your thumbtacks out and put them away. Start the same way you made the letters. So we start at the top of the 1 and come down just like that. Number 2, we start at the top and come around and down just like that. 3. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now you can put your number board away, and you can use it again and again to practice your numbers. You can use the thumbtacks or take your finger and trace the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.